State officials from Maine and New Hampshire have kicked off the Sarah Long Middle Bridge rebuilding project. Maine Senator Susan Collins is credited with securing federal funds for the nearly $160 million bridge.
By road and by rail, it has been vital to the flow of workers and materials in and out of the Portsmouth Naval Shipyard. In fact, replacing the bridge is essential to the efficient operation of our shipyard. Now, replacing this historic bridge is necessary, but I don't need to tell the people in this room that it's also expensive, requiring investments by both of our states and the federal government. Now, if all goes well tomorrow, and I expect it to go well tomorrow, I will become the new chairman of the Transportation Appropriations Subcommittee. And one of my highest priorities is to further strengthen our nation's transportation infrastructure. I strongly supported the more than $25 million in federal Tiger Grant funding for the rail portion of this project and discussed its merits with the Transportation Secretary, urging the approval of the state's application for funding. I've worked hard to make sure that the Tiger program has been funded every year since it was first established in 2009, and that's not always been easy. To date, Maine has received more than $90 million for highway, bridge, port, and rail projects through this program, which has been essential to rebuilding our infrastructure, getting our economy moving, and creating jobs. The new 2015 federal funding bill includes $500 million for critical infrastructure investments through the Tiger program, and I'm pleased to say that Maine has been funded every single round of the Tiger Grant program due to the extraordinary work of the Department of Transportation in our state.
Many of the dignitaries on hand for the ceremony signed a plank to memorialize their participation in the project. Many school children were also on hand to put their fingerprints on a plank for the new bridge.
Yeah, right. Since I do this at home, I get in trouble.
Yeah.
Here, people take pictures.
Was that fun?
That's great.
More paint?
You did a nice job.
But look,
Good job.